And stacking up today, Todd, Bubba Horwitz is here to run down a few stocks. I want to start with Apple. Disappointing, and I say quote unquote earnings. Company still made a record amount of money.
$18 billion. Huh?
I mean, that's nothing to sneeze at.
Look, it's a great company. I think they've run into the typical problem that a lot of big conglomerates start to run into. It's a growth story, great earnings. I think 92 is probably a real good level to look to buy the stock. I think you want to be a buyer. If you haven't benefited from being on the other side of that stock, now you're looking for spots to buy. I think 92 is probably a good level. It really just matches the footprint that the markets told you back in August that was where it could go to, and I think that's what I'd be looking for to want to get in. But certainly, I'm only looking to buy it. I'm not looking to sell it.
McDonald's, another name that's getting some attention this week for its big move with breakfast, seems to be working well for that company. Where would you buy that stock?
You know, I think McDonald's is kind of had its run. I think they kind of knew, right? They expected a lot of this, right? McDonald's got trashed early and was down in the 80s, and all of a sudden got, made an all-time new high on Monday. I think you want to look for a little bit of a pullback, but I think McDonald's, another great company. I mean, you know, it's America, right? Ray Kroc, 1950s, we built this beautiful chain of restaurants that continues to perform, and I think they will continue to do so, and they will continue to adjust around the time. So I'd like to find a level, but I think it's probably, you know, let's say 110, 105, somewhere around there.
What are the names of some other, what you would call great American companies out there where you might want to do some investing?
I think Walmart is one you want to look at down here. You know, it's been obviously down 30% last year. The best performing stock of the Dow this year. I think it's one you want to look for. It's not going to be a monster grower, but it should be consistent, pays a reasonable dividend. That's when I would look at. I think you want to look at some of the beaten down energy stocks, Caterpillar, which is a basic material, a Halliburton, something, one of those in that nature. Markets have a way to price things out well ahead of information. So once the information comes, it's old story, and the stocks start to move up. And I think you're going to see that in a lot of these beaten down energy stocks and basic materials, and that's what I really see.
What's a hidden stock that maybe nobody's talking about right now?
Steel Dynamics would be one I would look at. Any of that material type of stock is hidden because right now everybody's throwing them out. They're discounting them because they have no value right now.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Angie.